It's very interesting to see that 95% of the households in the US have some kind of credit. That number is 40% in India, including housing loan, which is the big part of the housing, and auto is now very acceptable to be on loans. Personal loan is now compromising of 72% of the 40%. So I'm a Delhi girl, born and brought up from a business family. So finance is embedded in my blood, I would say. I was all of 24 when I reached the US, and when I landed at my university, I was given a credit card. However, it took me 6 months to open my bank account with HDFC when I moved back. I think just the penetration of credit, the penetration of banking services is very, very limited here in India. We've had access to funds from day one. We got our first investor check even before we just had a paper plan. Our product is very, very unique in the market. Basically, you can go on our app and within 90 seconds, you'll get a loan. So tomorrow, if you are getting a lower interest rate somewhere else at a bank, foreclose and move on. We understand. We don't ever want you to be in a debt trap. The no foreclosure charges is not to keep the customer hooked on forever. We've underwritten close to 75 lakh loans. We have close to 2.5 million active customers, and we've got more than 20 million customers coming to the app at some point in time. With UPI coming in, it's actually really extended acceptance of using digital forms of engaging with your lenders, vendors, merchants, whoever you are dealing with. Remember very vividly, and this is from probably start of the company, how India was getting digital ready. This customer was visually impaired. He had to earn a livelihood. So his working hours and the bank working hours were the same. So he couldn't go to the bank very often to apply in the process. As I said, he wasn't top tier customer for a bank to service him. He applied for a loan, and he had done it very smartly. Everything that came on his phone had some audio which he knew he could hear and decide what to click on. Our product sitting on during his working hours, as and when he needed it, he could draw down the funds and repay back whenever he had extra cash. You don't understand, you think you're running a business, but you're actually impacting real lives. 70% of India runs on MSMEs. 30% of our customers are in urban, 30% are in semi-urban, and 30% are now in rural because of acceptance of UPI doing transactions. India is growing, the working population in India is growing. People are becoming more aspirant, having a credit history will make you move up the ladder in life. The credit imprint starting early has become very, very important, and providing this access to these people, new to credit, or anyone whose credit is spoiled, by giving them the secured product, or anyone who does not want to pay more than he can afford and foreclose at any point in time. The flexibility of this while improving their credit access through an auto loan or a home loan is something we think about our business all the time. There should be financial inclusion. No one should be credit starved, is how we think.